Comparing insurance quotes for a commercial fleet sounds straightforward until you're staring at 5 different documents with mismatched coverage limits, varying deductibles, and fine print that seems designed to confuse. Most fleet managers and small trucking business owners spend hours on this process, only to end up second-guessing their final choice or worse, discovering a coverage gap after an incident. Choosing the wrong policy can mean paying thousands more than necessary or being underinsured when it matters most. This guide walks you through every step of the comparison process, from understanding what you're actually looking at to making a confident, informed decision. We'll cover knowing what you're comparing, the key components of fleet insurance quotes, step-by-step instructions for requesting and organizing insurance quotes, what really drives costs, including advanced factors and industry trends in 2026, how to evaluate and decide on the right insurance quote for your fleet, a fleet manager's perspective on why quote comparison is changing in 2026, and how to get personalized competitive fleet insurance quotes today. Before you can compare quotes accurately, you need to understand what each quote actually contains. A commercial fleet insurance quote is not a single number. It is a structured document that outlines multiple coverage types, each with its own limits, deductibles, and exclusions. The 4 core coverage types you will see in nearly every commercial fleet quote are liability, physical damage, motor truck cargo, and general liability. Liability coverage protects you when your driver causes an accident that injures someone or damages property. Physical damage coverage includes collision and comprehensive protection for your own vehicles. Several factors directly shape what you pay: your operating radius, the states where you run, the type of cargo you haul, the age and condition of your vehicles, and whether you hold your own operating authority all influence pricing. Fleet insurance premium ranges typically fall between $9,000 and $17,000 per year per truck, though state-by-state variation is significant. A fleet operating in Texas or Florida will often see higher rates than one based in the Midwest, largely due to litigation environments and traffic density. Key terms you need to know before reviewing any quote include the deductible, the amount you pay out of pocket before coverage kicks in, endorsements, add-ons that expand or modify your base policy. When reviewing a quote document, focus on the declarations page first. It summarizes your coverage limits and premiums in one place. Then review the exclusions section carefully. That is where policies tend to differ most. The cheapest quote is rarely the best quote. A policy with a lower premium but higher deductibles and narrower exclusions can cost you far more after a single claim. With a clear understanding of what you are comparing, the next step is building a repeatable process for collecting and organizing multiple quotes efficiently. Start by identifying your sourcing channels. You have 3 main options: independent brokers who work with multiple carriers, direct carriers who sell their own policies, and online comparison platforms. Before you request a single quote, gather the information you will need. Carriers will ask for your complete vehicle list with VINs and vehicle weights, driver records and license information for all operators, your cargo types and typical routes, your operating authority number, your current or most recent insurance history, and details about any safety programs you run. Then the AI Twin works with a large, clear comparison table displayed on screen or printed format showing organized quote comparisons. Organize your quotes in a simple side-by-side table tracking carrier name, total annual premium, liability limit, physical damage deductible, cargo coverage limit, key exclusions, and payment options. This structure makes it easy to spot where one policy is stronger and where another cuts corners. One of the most significant factors driving premiums higher across the industry is the rise of nuclear verdicts. A nuclear verdict is a jury award that far exceeds the actual damages in a case, often reaching tens of millions of dollars. These verdicts have become more common in trucking-related litigation. Technology is one of the most actionable levers you have. Fleets that install telematics systems and dash cams are consistently rewarded with lower rates. Telematics can earn discounts of 15 to 25% on premiums. Data shows that fleets using these tools report 18% fewer claims. Carriers view telematics as evidence of proactive risk management, which makes your fleet more attractive to underwriters. With your quotes organized and cost drivers understood, you are ready to make a final decision. Start with a checklist of critical questions before committing to any policy. Does the liability limit meet federal and state minimums for your cargo type and routes? Are your highest value vehicles covered under physical damage with a deductible you can realistically absorb? Here's something most guides will not tell you. Comparing quotes purely on price is a strategy that made sense a decade ago, but is increasingly risky today. Nuclear verdicts with a median of $36 million in telematics data showing 18% fewer claims for tech-equipped fleets tell a clear story. The insurers pricing your fleet most competitively are the ones who see you as a low-risk, well-managed operation. If this guide has shown you anything, it is that getting the right fleet insurance quote requires more than a quick search. It requires the right tools, the right information, and a platform that understands the trucking industry. At Diamondback Insurance, we specialize in commercial vehicle and trucking coverage for fleet managers and small business owners just like you. Our platform aggregates online insurance quotes from multiple top-rated carriers instantly, so you can compare real options side by side without the back and forth. Whether you need coverage for a single box truck or a growing fleet, we make it fast, transparent, and straightforward. Get your personalized quote today and see how much you could save.